Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 20th October 2020. Your chapter 4th business services was going on. In the last class I have explained to you about the types of services, and then after that I have started the business services, in which I have explained the banking. Okay, so today I want to continue. As I have already told to you, bank has been provided different types of the services. The bank has been also deposited the money. They have provided the money on loan also. There are different types of the investment has been also made by the banking system. So today I want to tell about the types of the bank accounts that has been opened in the bank for the purpose of the investment, for the purpose of the loan. So the different types of the accounts I have also explained here. Look here and listen carefully. So your topic is types of bank accounts. Types of bank accounts. Okay. So a bank account is a record of financial transactions between the customer and banking institutions. That means that in the bank account there is specific types of the transactions that has been recorded by the bank. To explain it, which type of the transaction has been performed by between the customer and the banking institution. You can write it here. A bank account is a record of the financial transactions between the customer and the banking institution. Okay, there are the different types of the account that has been opened by the bank, but some accounts, some common bank account I am explained here. So here some common bank account offered by banks are as follows. First account, saving account. I think maximum students know about the saving bank account or saving account. In that type of the account, the customer has deposited the amount as per their income. There is no fixed amount has been decided or a fixed duration has been decided. So it is only dependent on your savings. So you can also tell it about that. Saving accounts is the account meant for people who wish to save a part of their income for their future. Okay, and on the saving account, the customer has also get the amount of the interest on that type of the savings. सेविंग अकाउंट में जो इंटरेस्ट की रेट होती है वो इन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ अदर बैंक अकाउंट उसकी जो रेट होती है, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होता है, दैट इज टू लेस, बहुत कम होता है. सो हियर बट इट हैज़ बीन प्रोवाइड द हैबिट्स between or among the persons to save their money. So here you can write savings account. Saving account is the account meant for people who wish to save a part of their income to safeguard. You can also add that type of the word, safeguard the future, यानी भविष्य को सुरक्षित बनाने के लिए, and earn interest on the savings. इट मीन्स सेविंग अकाउंट क्या है, जो व्यक्ति जो पर्सन अपने पैसे का इनकम का कुछ पार्ट फ्यूचर में सेव करना चाहता है, बचाना चाहता है, एंड अर्न इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट टाइप ऑफ द अकाउंट, सो दिस अकाउंट इज कॉल्ड सेविंग अकाउंट. ओके, सो द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द सेविंग अकाउंट इज टू प्रमोट सेविंग्स, लोगों में सेविंग्स की क्या हैबिट बनाना. And you can also tell it about that saving account can be opened with a minimum initial deposit that varies from bank to bank. Nowadays bank has been also provided the services, anyone can open the saving account with a zero balance. आपको ये पता होगा आपकी गवर्नमेंट ने कई तरीके की फैसिलिटीज़ ओपन प्रोवाइड कराई थी पर्सनस को, एंड द मेन मोटिव इज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द ओपनिंग द बैंक अकाउंट. And how can the person will attract to open the bank account? The bank has provided the facilities to open the saving account without any type of the deposition, zero balance opening account. Okay, so here you can write it here. The main objective of saving account is to promote savings, यानी बचत को बढ़ावा देना. ओके, देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन number and amount of deposits. It means आप देयर इज़ नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन नंबर एंड अमाउंट ऑफ डिपॉजिट. आप कितनी बार चाहें इसमें पैसा जमा कर सकते हैं या कितना भी चाहें पैसा आप अपना कैश अपना डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं. बट हियर इट हैज़ बीन ऑल्सो गिवन अमाउंट ऑफ डिपॉजिट रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू डिपॉजिट मनी equal to 50,000 or more than 50,000, then you can show your PAN card. It has not been given in here in your syllabus, it has not been given, but at the banking system it has been also asked about that. अगर 50,000 या 50,000 से ज़्यादा का आपको पैसा डिपॉजिट कराना है बैंक अकाउंट में, then you can show your PAN card also. Okay, and then their withdrawal from the account can be made either by signing a withdrawal form or check or ATM card. Okay, so here you can also write it withdrawals withdrawal from the account can be made either by signing a withdrawal form or by issuing a check or by using ATM. You know about that ATM card, you know about that withdrawal form से आप कैश निकाल सकते हैं अपने अकाउंट से. You can also withdraw money from your check from the ATM card also. Okay, savings account is of continuing nature. There is no maximum period. Saving account का कोई time duration नहीं होता, so it is a continue nature. So here you can write it here also that saving account is of continuing nature, full stop. There is no maximum period. As per the wish of the account holder, the saving account can run. Okay, so now what is the advantages, what is the benefits of the saving account? So now look at here also, benefits of saving account. Benefits of saving account. First point you can also write it here. Saving account encourage habit among people. हैबिट among people to save money, यानी कि लोगों में पैसे सेव करने की हैबिट बनाता है, उसमें इंक्रीजमेंट करता है. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज इट enables the depositor to earn income by way of interest. You know about the situation, each and everyone when has invested their money. आप हो, हम हो, या कोई थर्ड पर्सन हो, कहीं भी अगर कोई पैसा इन्वेस्ट करता है, सो ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट, ऑन दैट टाइप ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट, दैट पर्सन वांट टू गेट द return. So in the saving account, the person who has invested their money in the saving account, that can earn income from the way of the interest on that deposit. So you can write it here, it enables the depositor to earn income by way of interest, by way of interest. Then now third, it helps the depositor to make payment by way of checks. चेक्स के थ्रू क्या पेमेंट भी आप इसमें कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग दैट टाइप ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज. इट मीन्स इफ़ यू वांट टू पे मनी, इफ़ यू वांट टू रिटर्न एनी मनी टू एनीवन, अगर आपको किसी को कुछ पेमेंट करनी है, सो आप उसे सेविंग अकाउंट की चेक इशू करके दे सकते हैं. सो दैट पर्सन कैन कलेक्ट द मनी ऑन द कैश काउंटर और कैन रिसीव देयर मनी ऑन देयर बैंक अकाउंट. देयर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ द चेक्स, बियरर एंड क्रॉस चेक. अगर बियरर चेक होगी तो सेविंग अकाउंट होल्डर ने जिसको चेक दी है तो वो कैश काउंटर पर जा करके उसकी पेमेंट ले सकता है. अगर क्रॉस चेक है तो जिसको चेक दी गई उसके बैंक अकाउंट में, वो अपने बैंक अकाउंट में चेक लगाएगा. देन आफ्टर दैट दैट पर्सन कैन गेट द अमाउंट ऑफ द मनी ऑन देयर बैंक अकाउंट. नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट, द बैंक offers number of services to the savings account holders. कई तरीके की सर्विसेज भी बैंक क्या करता है, प्रोवाइड करता है. इट मीन्स दैट टाइप ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज, दैट टाइप ऑफ द अकाउंट इज बेसिकली रिलेट्स फ्रॉम द टू encourage the people to increase their habits for their savings. अपने अंदर सेविंग्स की बचत को बढ़ाने की आदत डालना है क्या सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट या सेविंग अकाउंट का वर्क है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? आई थिंक सेविंग अकाउंट क्लियर हुआ होगा बेटा. नाउ सेकेंड अकाउंट इज बेस्ड ऑन द करंट अकाउंट. Current account facilities, current account has been opened by the businessman. It means current account जो होता है वो एक businessman ही open कर सकता है. No one person who want to save their money can open it. यानी current account की facilities सिर्फ किसको है, businessman को है. Okay. In current account, the businessman who have a number of regular transactions with the bank, both deposits and withdrawal. It means current account holders जो हैं, जिन्होंने जिस बिजनेसमैन ने अपना करंट अकाउंट ओपन कराया है, देन दैट बिजनेसमैन कैन डिपॉजिट मनी मैक्सिमम टाइम एंड विड्रॉल मनी मैक्सिमम टाइम इन अ डे. यानी क्या वो पर डे रेगुलर बेसिस पर चाहे बैंक से कितने भी ट्रांजेक्शन्स कर सकता है. डे में चाहे जितना चाहे पैसा कितनी बार निकाल सकता है, और चाहे जितनी बार चाहे जमा डिपॉजिट कर सकता है, जमा कर सकता है. एंड वन थिंग और मोर, इन द करेंट अकाउंट बैंक हैज़ नॉट प्रोवाइडेड द इंटरेस्ट. करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स को बैंक इंटरेस्ट के अमाउंट की पेमेंट नहीं करती है. वाइल सम टाइप्स ऑफ द बैंक ऑल्सो चार्ज द अमाउंट ऑफ द करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स. करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स पर क्या कुछ चार्जेस लिए जाते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैज़ बीन परफॉर्म देयर ड्यूटीज, दे हैव ओपन देयर अकाउंट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर business. So on the basis of that type of the facilities, on the basis of the regular transactions, number of regular transactions that has been made by the current account holders, so the bank has charged some charges on that type of the account holders also. So here you can write it here, current account is opened, current account is opened by businessmen who have a number of regular transactions with the bank comma both deposits एंड विड्रॉल्स। आपको अभी हमने बताया डिपॉजिट चाहे कितनी बार कर सकता है पर्सन, विड्रॉल चाहे कई बार कर सकता है। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड टू द करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स। ओके, so it means the main objective of the current bank account is to enable the businessman to conduct their business transactions smoothly। एक बिजनेसमैन का बिजनेस प्रॉपर वे में परफॉर्म करता रहे अपनी ड्यूटीज़ को या स्मूथली रन करता रहे। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज हैज़ बीन प्रोवाइडेड टू द current account holders by bank। So here you can write the nature also as like first point you can write in current account comma amount can be deposited and withdrawn at any time without giving any notice। यानी बिना किसी नोटिस के एक करंट अकाउंट होल्डर्स कैश चाहे डिपॉजिट कर सकता है और विड्रॉल कर सकता है। देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, दैट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव। देयर इज नो restriction on the number and amount of deposits and withdrawals। Okay, point number 2, you know about that, I already told to you bank has not provided the interest on that type of the current account holders। So here you can also write bank do not pay any interest on these accounts, rather it imposes, I already told to you bank has also charged to that type of the account holders, rather it imposes service charges for running these accounts। Current account is also known as demand deposits, and it is also as like a continuing nature। There is no fixed period or there is no maximum time duration। So here you can also write the third point, current account is also known as demand deposit। So students, I think current accounts has been also clear to you and saving accounts has been also clear to you। Saving account has been open for the provide the or develop the habit for the saving of the citizen of your country, while the current account has been opened by the businessman, and the main motive of that type of the opening the account is to smooth running of their business। The businessman can easily smooth running their business। Okay students, so students, if you have any doubt then you can also ask the query with me। Okay।